Hey, what's going on everybody? Dan with TechFit360 and I'm back with another video. If you want to make your Beats Studio headphones look new again and transform them from this to this, stick around because I'm going to show you how to do it and hopefully we can do this in 3 minutes or less. It's time for Tech Snacks. Let's get to it. Recently, I came across a young lady who had a set of headphones, Beats headphones, but she didn't know that she could replace the cushions, those raggedy looking cushions that you see here. Thing about it, it's easy to do. First, you need 3 things. You need the replacement protein ear cushions, of course the Beats Studio headphones, and a butter knife or something similar. I picked up the replacement ear cushions from Amazon. These are from a company called AHG. This package includes 2 protein ear cushions, the instructions, and an adhesive removal tool. First, we need to remove the old ear cushions. A great tool for doing this is something that we all have in our house right now at this very second, a butter knife. Now it's time to separate the ear cushion from the headphones, and you do this by placing the tip of the butter knife between where the ear pads and Beats headphones connect. Add a little prime pressure, but not too much, and you will begin to separate the two. When you have it loose enough, just use your hand to finish off the job. You can then either use your fingernails or the included removal tool for the leftover sticky residue. You will notice the included cushions are just a bit different. You will notice a dip in one of them, and that's because it needs to fit around the charging port on your Beats headphones. So grab your 3M adhesive tape with the notch, since we are working on the side with the micro charging port, peel back the paper, and line up the holes with the holes on the ear cushion and stick it in place. The 3M logo should be facing you. Don't worry about being perfect because the sticky adhesive tape is stretchable to help you get back on track. Now what I did is give it a trial run and practice lining up the cushion and holes. Once you're comfortable with the process, remove the adhesive tape and attach the cushions to the headphones. Apply some pressure to help with the bonding process, and that's it. Repeat this process for the other side as well. And there you have it. The Beats Studio headphones are looking fly again. This process will work with your wired or wireless Studio 2 and 3 headphones as well. I'll leave the links in my description for the kit. If you found this video to be helpful, show me some love and hit that like button. Share it with all your followers and subscribe to the TechFit360 YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my very next video. God bless.